Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these AI marketing tools called Transpond IO. So let's dive into it. Transpond IO delivers a solid toolkit for marketers. It automates content generation, email campaign, and social media scheduling using AI, which can save tons of time compared to manual workflow. Its standout features include easy content creation, bulk posting capabilities, integration with popular social and email platform. The pros also includes the speed, convenience, and a good fit for small to medium teams wanting to scale marketing without hiring extra staff. On the downside, AI generated content can feel generic and may need a lot of manual polishing to stand out. Some advanced features are locked behind the higher plan, which can make it get pricier, especially the plans. So my clear opinion, Transpond is useful if you want to automate routine marketing tasks and maintain a consistent content output, but you might still need human creativity to make content shines, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.